This might be the easiest way to get low-key rich selling AI, and it involves selling AI videos to businesses. And no, not the stupid ass Yeti videos that you see all over your social media, Instagram, TikTok, Yeti, no, not that. Actual AI videos that help these businesses sell their products and sell their services. In fact, I got paid a total of, you'll see here, 14 grand from one client to help them make AI videos to sell their products. And these payments were through PayPal. You see here, 4 grand, 3.6K, 3 times here. Actually, let me do a refresh the page. So no, it's real, right? It's not no coding or inspect elements. It's actually real. There we go. And we can look here too, actually go to the actual invoice. Here's the ID for transaction. Bam, date, amount. It's real. Also, I sold the same AI video service to other businesses, and you'll see over here, for TikTok, I got paid 1 grand in December, 2 grand here, 2 grand here the next week. The next 2 days, 2 grand there again. What else? We got 2 grand here the next week, 2 grand, 2 grand. Again, all selling AI videos to these brands who want to use these videos to make more sales and get more clients. Simple as that. Because these brands will use these videos to make sales, and from those sales, of course, they're going to pay you. So they win, you win, you both win. And to me, it's crazy that no one is talking about this, right? You hear about automations and agents and chatbots, but no one is going over how to make money selling AI videos. It's crazy. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sell AI videos to businesses so they can pay you to help them get clients and sales. And then from that, pay you either 2 grand, 3 grand, or 4 grand per month for this AI service and this new AI skill. So first, I want to cover why this new AI skill is in such high demand. So every business needs to make money, right? They need marketing and sales to get clients and customers to make money. With no money, there is no business. So they need marketing and they need sales. Now, the highest form of any marketing is always going to be a video, whether it's on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Videos sell extremely well. The issue though for these businesses is they have no time to sit down and film video content for their ads or marketing. That's a big issue, right? They're busy with their team, their customers, their clients, they're just busy, but they do know that they need videos. In fact, over the last 4 years, they've been paying me, right? These brands and companies have been paying me to help them make video ads. As you can see here, I'll show you the payments. Month after month, year after year, to help them with video ads. You'll see here like 2 grand payments, $500, $1,000, $5,000, $1,300. You'll see here more payments, $7,000, $8,000, 2.5K, $7 for one of these, right? So a variety of payments to help them make video ads for their video marketing. So again, they want this. The issue is they're busy and they have no time to sit down and film these videos, which is where AI comes in. Now, I'm sure you've seen all these new videos about Google VO3 and all these AI tools to make videos on your timeline, on your For You page, and on your feed. Now, what I've realized is we can use these tools and we can use these AI, right, these AI videos to help these businesses sell their products and sell their services. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, why would they pay you for this service? Why not just do it themselves? Well, again, they're busy and these companies have zero interest in learning AI. They want the revenue, they want sales. They have zero interest in sitting down here, prompting and making all these videos themselves to then get the sales. Instead, they rather pay you, a skilled AI video copywriter, to do it for them. And again, they'll pay you 2 grand, 3 grand, 4 grand, sometimes as high as 8 grand, but I'm not going to guarantee that. But just saying, it's possible with the right skills and experience. So you become the bridge between the business and the AI video. And again, those videos will help them get more sales and clients to scale their business. And that's how you become low-key rich selling AI videos. Now, personally, I prefer selling this over AI automations. And here's why. So with AI automations, the first thing is you need to be skilled at coding or some tech. And despite all, the fluff and lies on here about, oh, there's no code, there's no tech skills involved, there is. If you've seen those automations, on the N8N automations, those things are not beginner friendly, right? They require some knowledge in tech or, coding and engineering to actually, 1, build them, 2, use them, and 3, fix them when they break. So automations, they're complex and they require a tech background. Okay, again, don't be fooled by all these people saying, no, no, it's not. You need to be smart to make it work. Okay, let's be honest here. Second, or third here, automations are a back-end offer, meaning the automation is not really tied to any money or sales. So usually not tied to ROI, tied to generating revenue for the business. And that's a big issue. Because these businesses want to pay you to make more money. If your chatbot or your automation, your agent is not making them money, they don't care, right? They want two things: make more money, spend less time in business. So your goal is to help them do what? Make more money, spend less time in business, which is why I love selling AI videos. Oh, over here, AI videos. Now, AI videos are a bit more creative, okay? So if you're someone who's artistic, not acoustic, right? Guys, I apologize. If you're artistic and creative, right, you're gonna love doing this because you're making visual, elements that actually tell a story and sell a product, right? And I love selling I love selling the right products to change lives. So if you're someone who cares about the world, you'll love this. So it's creative. It is, let's do that more. It requires no tech background, just desire to learn. There's that. And guys, the last thing here about this that I love is it's a front end offer, meaning it generates revenue and sales for the business, which means that when you pitch it, it's a no-brainer. Hey, this thing, right, is gonna make you more money. Do you want it? Also, it's gonna make you work less in the business. Do you want it? Hell yeah. Guys, they want two things: make more money, spend less time in business. You sell that, it's easy. Which is why I love selling AI videos as a service, because it just sells so well. It makes money, it saves time. Easy. And what's cool is you can do this as a one-person business, as a one-man or woman army, right? By yourself. There's no team, there's no, real like cost besides your AI tools. It's just you wake up, you prompt your scripts, you make your visuals with your AI tools, you do a little bit of editing, CapCut, done, get paid. Simple as that. And I love this skill because this skill is not only transferable across multiple industries like e-commerce or, selling local dentist services or doctor services, healthcare or landscaping, or even like selling, courses, information and coaching. Like this skill can be applied to any market or any niche, right? Because again, you're just doing marketing. You're making a video to sell stuff. It's marketing. And this skill, guys, as we go into the future, this skill is going to only get better and only be in more demand. So you're investing in a skill that's going to last you a lifetime now, right? Across any niche, any market, any vertical, this skill will apply to your life. Now, when it comes to niche selection and payment, I love working in niches where the actual client value is really, really high. Like for dentists, roofers, surgeons, like these like high touch, like high value clientele that they work with, or for selling a higher ticket for either consulting, courses and coaching and info, great too, or e-commerce and SaaS companies too, even better. Any niche with a high customer value is lovely because then we can charge even more for our services. So for these here, like these here, you can charge retainers. Charge retainers for your AI videos, which range from $2,000 to $4,000 a month. Now for e-commerce, info and SaaS, I'll put it in like just one big chunk. For these, you charge revenue shares. And guys, this simply means that they pay you once they get paid. Okay, so let's say you make a e-com brand $10,000, right? And your revenue share is 10%, then they pay you $1,000, right? $1,000. Now, why would you choose a revenue share over, a retainer for e-commerce, info, or SaaS? Why? Guys, learn from one of my biggest mistakes. So back to this client over here. So back to the client here who paid me the 14 grand. They actually offered me even more on a revenue share, but I was young, I was dumb and naive. I said, no, give me the retainer. Guys, this company went on to make $1.5 million in a year. So if I took the revenue share of, let's say 10%, I would have made way more money than $14,000. And what I've realized is for these, these more online companies like e-commerce, courses and coaching, or even like software, they get a lot of customers, right? They make a lot of money, right? They get a lot of transactions. So it makes more sense for you to get paid on a revenue share than a retainer. Because again, they're getting a lot of transactions through your AI videos. So if anyone buys from your AI videos, then you want to make sure that you get paid per sale, right? Not just a retainer, per sale for e-commerce, for courses, info, and software. it makes way more sense. Okay, so now let's cover the 3 AI tools that you'll be using to make these AI videos. The first one is called Get Poppy. Poppy is the best tool to help you write your scripts for your AI videos. And I say that because this tool is the best for any beginner with no experience doing copywriting or marketing or ads to sit down and craft a winning ad or a great script in seconds. And guys, I mean seconds. So all you do is you paste in an example of a winning ad from your client's market or, like a competitor here into Poppy, then have Poppy use that as a template to then write you an ad for your client, with their offer and their service. Then that is done. Okay, for example, write me another variation. Thinking. Here's 6. Great. I grab this. And guys, now my script is done. Like I've literally done the script, right, for the video. It's done. Poppy is, again, it is amazing. It writes the best ads with no experience needed. I love it. I love it. Now I will say though, you should still learn how to write copy, right, and do marketing because it's gonna help you write even better ads. But to start, guys, you just start like this with Poppy. You're prompting the AI with the right data, the right inputs. You want to grab this copy and now move to the next tool in your process, which will be 11 Labs. Now, this tool is going to bring life and voice to your actual script that you just made. So I'll paste in the script again, choose my voice and hit enter. Let's go.
Get a single implant for as low as $999. At Steel Oral Surgery, we specialize in virtually painless procedures with the fastest recovery times possible. Our advanced techniques mean faster procedures and longer lasting smile transformations.
All right, so now we have the audio for our script. Now, from here, we have 2 paths to take. So let's say our client is a bit, more new school of marketing, and they have some, videos on Instagram or YouTube that we can use. Then we use a tool called Dreamface. Now, what that does is it allows us to lip sync that audio from 11 Labs to our client's face here in Dreamface. So here's a client. That way we get this finished product.
If you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area and you're missing teeth, then you don't have to worry about the cost of replacing them. We understand the importance of a beautiful smile and functional teeth.
Now, guys, that was all AI. That was me sitting here creating a script with AI to then create the audio and from there do the Dreamface lip sync to the client's face to make this video that they can use, on Facebook, Instagram, Meta, wherever they want to get more clients and leads for their business to make more sales. Guys, this is the power of AI video because now the client can make more money and spend less time doing marketing and then just pay you to do it for them. Like, God, that is their dream scenario. They don't want to do work. They don't want to do work. They want to pay you to do it for them to make more money. And they love this stuff. So now our next step is to take this video and to do a little bit, more editing on the video just to make it a bit more, cooler to look at. And the finished video should look like this.
If you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area and you're missing teeth, then you don't have to worry about the cost of replacing them. We understand the importance of a beautiful smile and functional teeth. That's why we're running a limited time promotion to help you get your smile back. Get a single implant for as low as $999. At Steel Oral Surgery, we specialize in virtually painless procedures with the fastest recovery times possible. Our advanced techniques mean faster procedures and longer lasting smile transformations. The implant procedure is safe, minimally invasive, and offers results that will last you a lifetime. We are very confident that you will be satisfied with your choice. That's why we're offering a free consultation. Click on Book Now and schedule your consultation with Steel Oral Surgery, where your new smile begins.
What can I say? Again, this is why they will pay you $2,000, $3,000, or $4,000 a month to make these for them. Because again, these videos that you just made for them is literally them doing no work to then create a high converting asset to make them money. I love AI. I just love the power of AI, being creative, being, resourceful to create these kind of videos to just, help the world. And of course, to help ourselves, to get a bit more low key richer, one video at a time, it's cool. One video at a time. Okay, so that's the video. But now, how do you sell these to these, businesses? Simple. All you do is you want to leverage your AI skills that you're using to make these videos to help you acquire clients. And I love getting clients where clients are in abundance. And typically those clients are in abundance in the Facebook ads library. So let's go over there. So here is a webpage of all the companies and businesses that are currently spending money on paid marketing, paid ads. And we like this because we only want to work with companies that already, investing money into marketing and, getting their brand seen, and of course getting more clients, because this kind of proves to us that they're serious. So start here. And all you want to do is you want to come in here, you want to search for the service or your niche. So for example, let's say I want to do plastic surgery. I'll do that. As so. And then I want to look for companies that are running image ads. So filter here by media types, do images like that. And then just do a filter by the date. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Do that real quick. All right. All right. So here, Asia Pacific plastic surgery. Great. Go to their site, right? Like that. Then on their webpage, you want to search for the about us. So about. So guys, most of these companies love to showcase their doctor, as a expert. So typically their doctor will be on the front page, or even have a page on the site just for him or her. Like here, Dr. Shim Ching. So here, is the owner of the practice. You want to find this guy on Instagram, Facebook, email, or LinkedIn. Then send him a DM. You want to say, hey, Dr. Ching, I made you a video to get more clients and sales. Do you want to see it? Guys, he's gonna say yes, obviously. Yes, show me. So all you do is you go make your AI video, right? Host the video on Vimeo, Wistia, YouTube, anywhere. Send him the link. He'll watch it. He'll be impressed. Guess what? He's gonna say, "This looks great. Like, can you do more for us?" Like, "Oh yeah, I can." Then from there, you send him or her a link to your calendar, whether it's Calendly or Google Calendar. From there, get on a Zoom call. Right? You just show him the same videos and say, hey, my price is $2,000. You want this? He's going to say yes. Do you know why? Because again, you're helping him get more money, right? Do more marketing and sales and make more money while doing less work. That is the ultimate sales pitch. More money, less work. Always sells. People will always buy more money, less work. And again, guys, no one is doing this. Everyone's selling, automations and agents and chatbots. No one is focusing on selling AI videos. This is the easiest sale of a lifetime. Just sell them marketing and sales with AI. No one's doing this, so it is a blue ocean for anyone who wants to hop in and get started, make some money too, and of course, get low-key rich. But I will say, don't wait, because the more you wait, the more this gets saturated. This is perfect for anyone who wants to not miss out on the AI gold rush and make money online using AI. And again, this is great for those who are more creative, aren't as techie, or engineers and coding, just more creative, more artistic, more intellectual, and for those who are more of creators than they are engineers. So if that's you and you enjoyed this video, then feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and of course check out the links below this video. And yeah, that's it. Here's to your success and getting low-key rich as an AI video copywriter. All right, take care. See ya.